If you're looking for a quick and simple way to organize your email list, today I'm going to show you exactly how to tag contacts in Mailchimp. Tagging contacts is one of the easiest ways to sort people into groups, track interests, and keep your audience clean and organized without creating complicated segments. It's especially useful if you want to label customers, subscribers, leads, or event signups so you can find them fast later. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Mailchimp guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp, then sign in using your account credentials. Once you're inside your account, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can manage campaigns, audiences, and contacts. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the audience section because that's where all your contacts are stored and organized. From the left-hand navigation menu, click Audience. This takes you to the area where Mailchimp keeps all of your contact records. If you have multiple audiences, make sure you're working in the correct one before tagging anyone. That's important because tags only apply to the audience you're currently viewing. Now, locate the contact or contacts you want to organize. You can tag one person or you can tag multiple contacts at once, which is a great time saver if you're grouping similar subscribers together. To do that, tick the checkbox next to each contact you want to tag. As soon as the contacts are selected, Mailchimp will show you actions you can apply to those chosen entries. Next, click Tag Contacts. This opens the tagging options for the contacts you selected. At this stage, you'll usually see a list of tags that already exist in your audience. This is where you can quickly assign one or more labels without having to create everything from scratch. Choose an existing tag from the available list. You can select one tag or multiple tags depending on how you want to organize your audience. For example, you might use tags like newsletter, customer, webinar, lead, or interested in product A. The goal is to create a simple system that helps you filter and manage your contacts more efficiently later on. Once you've selected the tag or tags you want, click Apply. Mailchimp will immediately assign those tags to your chosen contacts. There's no extra complicated setup, and the change should happen right away. After that, your contacts are now easier to search, segment, and target with future campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to tag contacts in Mailchimp. This is a really useful skill if you want better control over your audience and more organized email marketing. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Mailchimp tutorials, marketing tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.